In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a toggle list in Google Sheets. So to do this, what we're going to be doing is we're going to utilize drop-downs. To add a drop-down, simply select and highlight the cell range that you would like to add drop-down to. After selecting and highlighting, in the menu navigation, simply navigate to Data. And in Data, simply go to Data Validation. This will then direct us to Data Validation Rules wherein we can add rules. Simply click the button for Add Rule. And in here, as you can see in criteria, make sure to select drop down. Then in here, you input the choices or options inside your list. So let's say this will be names. After putting your list options in here, you can also check the checkbox for allow multiple selections. But for this video, we will keep this as is. Then click done in here. And as you can see, the drop down is now added to the sheet in here. When we click this will automatically serve as a toggle list where you can input some options that you would like to add in a specific cell. So basically, we have now successfully created a toggle list. And that's about it. That's how to create toggle list in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.